All right, y'all, here we go. We're gonna cook up some of them quail legs this morning for breakfast. Frying up some of that bacon. Whip up some of them grits. All right, we're fixing to fry up them quail eggs. Drop a little bacon grease down in the new pan. Check that out right there. All right, B, here we go. We're gonna fry up some of them quail eggs. Check them out right there. Open them up, get them out. Check out some little quail eggs. Now, what you got to fry them quail eggs, you got these little scissors right here. What we do, we just put the top of the egg like that. And then we break off the top of the quail egg like that. And then we'll dump it out in there. Oh, that one's a double yolk. Check that out. There's another one right here, B. Check that out right there. Fry them eggs up. Now we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it with a little black pepper. Like that. Hit with a little salt. Wee! Like that. I hated I busted that yellow, but that's all right. I'm gonna throw some of that bacon grease up on the top. Turn that fire down. Throw that bacon grease up on the top like that. All right, here we go. Almost ready to come out there. First up, B, right here. Look at this here. We're gonna get us some of them grits. Ooh, lay them grits down right there. Oh, I love them grits right there. Then I'm gonna reach over here, grab me a couple pieces of that bacon right there. I'm gonna pick up them little quail eggs like that. I'm gonna lay them right across the top of them grits. Oh, it slid off, dang it. Lay them right across them grits like that. Grab me one of them good old canned homemade biscuits. Check that out, y'all. Quail eggs right there. Let me get it flipped over. And what we're gonna do, there's a little quail eggs right there. We'll just chop that up in them grits like that. You know, everybody likes that. Get that all chopped up in them grits like that. I know everybody eats their eggs like this. They get some grits, put on a plate. All right, we got some of that world famous apple jelly. I love that apple jelly. I like throwing that apple jelly down right there like that. And then, look, I got this old biscuit right here, old canned biscuit. Reach in there, use that to help put it on my fork. Hey, y'all, quail eggs and grits for breakfast. Bacon. Yeah, that's really good. Them quail eggs are really, really good. Check that out, baby. Look up close. See that quail egg in there? There's a little bit of jelly on it. Right there, y'all. Hey. Quail eggs in the morning. Don't get no better than that, y'all. Awesome stuff.